Hello everyone, you're welcome to this channel. You've found your way to a channel that celebrates the magic of everyday life. Today, we're diving into the world of washing powders and laundry detergents. The first factor to consider is the type of washing machine you have. If you're the proud owner of a high-efficiency machine, powdered detergents might not be your best choice. They can leave a residue that your swanky machine might not appreciate. Instead, you might want to lean towards liquids or pods. Next up, consider the hardness of your water. If you find that your water is hard, liquids have the upper hand. They don't react with minerals as much as powders, so keep your water quality in mind when you're making your choice. Don't forget about the soil level of your clothes. If you're dealing with heavily soiled clothes, powdered detergents might be your knight in shining armor. Their cleaning power can tackle that dirt and grime like a pro. Now consider the fabric type. Delicate fabrics, like your favorite silk blouse or soft wool sweater, need a gentle touch. There are detergents out there that are specifically designed to care for these kinds of materials. If you have sensitive skin or allergies, hypoallergenic or fragrance-free detergents could be a game changer. They help keep your skin happy and healthy. For those stubborn stains that just won't budge, there are detergents formulated to tackle tough stains like grease or grass. When it comes to cost, powders generally come out on top. However, always consider how much detergent you actually use per wash. The environment also plays a part in your choice. Eco-friendly detergents with minimal packaging and biodegradable ingredients are a great way to reduce your environmental impact. Last but not least, personal preference matters. Scent, ease of use, and brand loyalty can all influence your choice. In conclusion, the best detergent for you depends on a variety of factors: your washing machine type, water hardness, soil level, fabric type, skin sensitivity, stain removal needs, cost, environmental impact, and personal preferences. So the next time you're shopping for laundry detergent, keep these factors in mind. You can surely browse through the most preferred washing powders or the laundry detergents in the video description below. This will help you greatly. Thank you for tuning in to today's video. We hope this enlightens your next detergent shopping venture. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, have a blessed day, every day. Thank you.